Today's newspapers are replete with stories about the shady deals that led to the horrendous tragedy in Morbi district in Gujarat. What did you know so far? The Morbi Municipal Corporation handed out the task of renovation of the suspended bridge in Morbi, which has been a historical attraction for years. That's a bridge which has been in existence for more than 140 years. The agency which did the renovation completed it and then opened it on 26th of October for public. 4 days later, the tragedy occurred in which more than 140 people have died. What is the explanation of the municipal corporation? It says that they did not get any information from the agency about the opening of the bridge. If they would have got the information, then they would have taken action to ensure that some safety audit was done. But without informing them, the agency opened it. These officials are lying through their teeth. 2 days before the suspension bridge opened, the managing director and the top officials of the agency, Oreva Group, held a press conference. In the press conference, they said they are going to open it on 26th of October. They also made an announcement which created a kind of resentment, that they would charge money for people to go through the bridge. Charging will be done 17 rupees for adults and 12 rupees for children. This MD, other officials making this announcement in a press conference, this was duly published in all local newspapers the next day. And the municipal corporation mayor, deputy mayor, district magistrate, they all feigned ignorance. They had no idea about it. Question is, when the renovation contract was given, the MD of Oreva company said that they have got the contract for 15 years. And the contract tells them that they can raise the tariff, which is 17 rupees and 12 rupees this year, every year during the tenure of that 15-year contract. And if this is what has been announced, then did that contract say that after the renovation they will need to get the NOC from the municipal corporation to begin it operation? The municipal corporation authorities don't say that. They say it is a courtesy they should have shown to us. Is it as if a family affair that the municipal officials and the district magistrate are looking for courtesy from a business group, which need to inform them that they are opening the suspension bridge for the public? It shows there is a clear nexus. You need to ask, which is this company, Oreva company? Oreva company is famous for manufacturing Ajanta watches, which you all know. It's a household name in the country. But of late, this group has branched into producing LED bulbs and e-bikes. Nowhere in their website they say they handle infrastructural activities. Nowhere it is mentioned. They do not mention that they are handling this contract. They have got this contract from the government of Gujarat and subcontracted it to somebody else. That is what shows. And this contract that has been given to Oreva without any tender, mind you. The deputy mayor appeared on a television channel yesterday and said, no, this Oreva company, Ajanta Group, is a very respected group here and they wanted to do charity work and so we gave it to them. What is the need of tendering? Look at charity work. Someone who says that they will charge money every year and increasing rates year after year after year. And this year itself, they have already in 4 days, they have issued passes, issued tickets, almost more than 3,000 of them, and made huge amount of money. And anyway, is it a private affair that you would say that we just give it because they want to do charity work? And that charity work has led to the death of more than 140 people and maybe another 100 people who are maimed for life. After this whole tragedy, who all have been arrested? 3 security guards of Oreva Group, 2 ticket distributors and 2 small fledgling officials. There was no control over the crowd. Yesterday on television, 2 IIT professors said that a 140-year-old suspension bridge needed enormous degree of expertise. This is a 700 feet, 233 meter long and just 1.3 meter wide. Such a dimension is likely to create aerodynamic instability. And that's why it was necessary that the load factor should be taken into account. Not more than 100 people should have been there. And what are the survivors saying? When the bridge collapsed, more than 500 people were on the bridge. And there was no control on this. In fact, the survivors said there was nothing, never the ticket distributors said that you cannot go now, you can go after a few hours. Whoever came on the queue took the ticket and went to the bridge. Such a kind of amateur group which was handed over the responsibility of running a bridge which has cost such large number of lives. What does it say? It says that the unholy nexus between businessmen, civic officials and the government politicians. A few days later, this tragedy will fade from our memory. A greater tragedy will come in. Elections will take the attention away. And these politicians, these civic officials and these businessmen will laugh their way to the bank. Is this the kind of democracy that we should be proud of?